Hornet Nation, this is Ms. Minton, and in this video I'm going to show you how to organize your class tiles in Schoology. Right now we're looking at my course dashboard, so this is what I see when I first log in. You might notice that I have my classes in numerical order. I've got first period, then second period, then third period, and so on. But maybe instead of organizing them that way, I'd rather have them grouped by which classes I see Monday and Wednesday and the classes that I see on Tuesday and Thursday. So if I want to rearrange them, what I'm going to do is click on the class tile that I want to move, hold it, and then drag it to its new location. You can move your class tiles around as much as you want. The order in which they appear on your course dashboard is linked to the order in which they appear in the Courses tab. So if you're not spending a lot of time on your dashboard, you can still organize things there to have them show up in your Courses tab in the way that makes the most sense to you. I hope this Hornet life hack helps you work smarter, not harder. Take care and protect the nest.